So I've been making a bunch of videos about audio because I believe audio is very important. My main source of audio on this YouTube channel is the MIRFAK NP10, which you listening to this audio right now. So if you're a live streamer and you want to take your audio to the next level, you might want to consider this new audio that I have right here, right? I have the MIRFAK TU1 USB condenser microphone kit that I have here for review. What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I have the complete setup here if you're a live streamer, or even if you want to take your audio to the next level. I have the USB condenser mic TU1 for MIRFAK. So let's get into it and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's talk about this mic. Let's talk about what comes in a box. So when opening up the box, you greet it with the pop filter, the USB to USB cable, a user manual. Then when you get into the next compartment, you greet it with the arm stand kit, the windshield, the tripod, the microphone itself, the shock mount. So that's all the stuff you get in the box. Is complete and ready to go. So the TU1 has a high capacitive diaphragm with a flat and smooth frequency response curve. This microphone is designed for plug and play with no software needed. The TU1 is fully compatible with iOS, Windows, Android, and Linux. So let's talk about the microphone itself. It's an all-metal design with a classy black look. It feels very premium and kind of a mid-size, right? Medium-sized microphone here. So in the front, there's an echo key and a volume key that offers real-time volume and reverb. Also, right here is a headphone jack for output for real-time monitoring. And the key at the bottom here is for mute and noise reduction. So there are two ways to use this mic. The first is to use it with the included tripod, which is okay when you want to move the microphone around, which is really nice and it mounts really good. The second way is to mount it with the included arm to your table or desk and use it as a overhead or front type of scenario. So since this is a USB microphone, you have to connect this to a computer, which no software is required. All you have to do is open up the native software that you have on your PC. So let's get into it. Let's go to and plug this all up, and I'm gonna let y'all guys listen to the TU1 live in action. So let's go. All right, guys, so what you're listening to right now is a MIRFAK USB condenser mic, and I'm gonna sync this in post. What you're listening to right now is just the microphone itself, no edits. And I want y'all guys to hear the different scenarios. Now, I got the volume almost turned all the way down, which is fine, right? I'm looking at my screen right here, and I am really good with audio. You don't want to turn it up too loud. You don't want to peak it out. So you got to get that common balance when it comes down to the volume. All right, so let's talk about this microphone. It has a couple of different features. It has what's called an echo feature. So I have an echo button right here. If I turn this echo button all the way up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hear a lot of echo, which in some scenarios you might like this echo, but if you're doing some live streaming or something, you wanna add echo to your mix, this is how it would sound. Okay, let's turn this down. All right, so it also lets you know with this green light right here that it is working, it is on. If I click this one time, it's going to mute the audio. So if I click it, okay, and I click it again and it unmuted. Now, it does have a unique feature which called as noise reduction. And the only problem that I got with this feature is that you click it for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and it's supposed to go into noise reduction, but it don't let you know that it's in noise reduction. You just kind of got to play it by ear. So I'm going to go into noise reduction. Okay, so right now I'm supposed to be in noise reduction. Look, in my room right here, it's pretty quiet, so I'm not sure how it's going to sound with noise reduction. You guys let me know down in the comments below. Do you like the noise reduction here with this microphone? I'm going to get out of noise reduction. All right, so that should take me out of noise reduction. All right, so you have to sync this in post, right? So if you are recording a video, if you're doing a YouTube video, if you're recording anything, or if you're doing a live stream, you're fine because you're live. But if you're doing a YouTube video and you're using this as your primary audio, which I believe you definitely need the external audio to make your audio sound good, you have to sync it in post. Now my computer right here, I don't want y'all guys to see the PC, all right? And I'm gonna blow this up. As you can see right there with the PC, I'm syncing this in post, and right now I'm not peeking out. So the key to the success here is y'all guys get to see how it would look connected to a PC. And so that's how I look. And one of the things that I don't want to do is I don't want to peek out. Because if I peek out, then the footage is completely destroyed. So one of the things that I do on my YouTube channel when I use my microphones is that I add equalization to enhance the sound a little bit, add a little bass and stuff like that. What you're listening to right now is the microphone itself without no extra enhancements that I used to do on my YouTube channel. But here is how I would do it on my channel to make this audio sound even better than what it is. So check this out. Okay, so what you listen to right now is me adding some enhancements to my voice. I pretty much do this on all my YouTube videos. I always add some equalization to my microphones to even make it to make them sound better. So you could either do it two ways. You can in post, you don't have to add equalization to your microphones, and it still gonna sound better than a lot of other microphones out there. Or you could add equalization to your microphones to in post so you can make it sound better. So what you're listening to right now is me adding full enhancements, equalization to my voice in post as I'm syncing the audio with this microphone. You let me know down in the comments below how you like it. This is the microphone itself, right? Without no equalization at all. You let me know down in the comments below, what do you rather have, equalization or not? And adding equalization is really simple. All you gotta do is do it in post, right? Once you put it in your video editing software, all you gotta do is add some equalization. You got to go up a little bit on your bass or however you want to do it. That's fine. But I always add a little equalization to my audio. It does come with a pop filter, and it does come with everything you need to get started. This is a complete setup. Now, as far as pricing and availability, I will leave that link down in the description below if you want to pick this up. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the MIRFAK TU1 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Dan Tana.